Happy Halloween, everyone. This is our first Halloween video for October. As we make more videos, we'll get our costumes. So we'll be able to show you guys what we're gonna be. But Dom has his already, so he can wear it.
So this is Dominik.
And who are you gonna be for Halloween?
Leo.
It's gonna be Leo.
I don't get it, guys. Hi, I'm Amelia.
And I'm Dylan. Let's get on with the video. Today's video, we're gonna be looking at the HiStorm RC helicopter. So this is the box that it comes in. One of the sides of it. So we want to show you the on-off switch because it's pretty small. So if you were to miss it, it's on the side. And it's right there, that little tan switch. And this is the controller. So your throttle, and then how you turn it. So on the back is where it takes the batteries. It takes 6 AA batteries. So you need to have a good amount of batteries. There's the on-off switch for the controller.
Come here, baby. It's Luna now. It's getting so big. Luna. Hi, honey. Hi. Oh, she's so happy.
I'm upside down.
What?
I'm upside down on my butt.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, okay. Woo! Oh, it's gonna be so hard to follow. Oh, no, Dylan. We do, we need Dane in this. Dane, where you at? Woo! Wow, it goes so high up. Oh, wow, it's gonna hit me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ooh, it's stuck.
My turn.
He can probably do it better than Dylan. Oh, where did it go? Oh, there it is. No! Oh, you saved it! Woo! Oh, it's going backwards. Dom, you're doing so good.
That was so fun, and I want to do that again.
You want to do it again?
Uh-huh.
Why does it keep going backwards?
So, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like,
Subscribe.
and share.
And comment down below what you'd like to see next. And also, you want to get yourselves one of these awesome, fun, quality HiStorm helicopters, you can get one at the link below. Bye!
Bye.